Hey guys, Dan here with VitterTech, and now that iOS 14 is out, people across the world are sharing their home screens. With stock widgets, custom widgets, app library, and Today View, there's a bunch of new ways to customize your home screen. Today we're going to look at a few of them for inspiration, and I'm going to let you cast your vote in the comments below. Let's get into it. Alright, so we've got 8 very different home screens, all with a very unique look and a distinct purpose. Let's look at them now. Alright, so diving into the first home screen here, we can see that we've got kind of a stacked layout. We've got an alternating widget on the left and then right and then left again. We're using the calendar, the fitness app, and event time for a countdown. So this is kind of a hybrid approach where you're showing your icons and your widgets. Number 2 here just provides a very simple black background, a photos widget, and that's everything. So if you're looking to just remove all the clutter now that you can hide everything in App Library, then this is a really good option for you. Number 3, again, we've got this hybrid of widgets and icons. On the left side, we've got it aligned where it's all of our icons, and on the right, we've got 3 widgets highlighting different data. You can see we've got a background that also plays off of that where it's dividing right down the center to keep everything organized. Okay, so next we're using a custom widget with Widgie. It's got kind of a Tron background and it's got the date. Then we've got our icons and a smart stack at the bottom of the homepage. And next we're taking advantage of one of the larger widgets that you can do spanning 4x4, and that's using a bunch of Siri shortcuts. It's also really cool to see that everything's color coordinated as well, but it's a really practical use for taking up that massive widget where you would otherwise find it too big and kind of cluttered. Next we've got a travel-inspired homepage where you can see we're using the Cheap Flights app. We're highlighting 5 flights at once and then showing a world clock. So all of you travelers out there, this is a great one for you. So next again, we're using that Widgie custom widget builder, and we're playing off the background as well to give it this 3D sort of popping effect. We've got the calendar, our steps, and our heart rate, and then as well, the weather and spark widget and apps at the bottom. And then finally, we've got a home screen that's just showcasing 5 different widgets on the home screen, removing all icons now that we can with the app library. We're showing Siri suggestions, music, tips, weather, and calendar. So that's all of them. Now it's time to cast your vote. Here you can see all of the selections that we went through today. Leave your selection down in the comments below. And now it's your turn. What does your home screen look like? Send me a screenshot of your iOS 14 home screen to my Twitter at VitterTech. Remember to hit that subscribe button to see more from me, and hit that like button to tell YouTube that this video doesn't suck. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.